Welcome to my garage, guys. Come take a look inside. So this is my garage. I've had this place for around 4 years now, and it's the ultimate dream setup to allow me to rebuild the cars and create content. Let me show you around the place. So let's start the tour over here, over at the mezzanine. This is where we keep a lot of the big parts, which come in like the bumpers and a lot of the stuff that we don't really want lying around on the floor. Now below it is the storeroom. Keep a lot of engine parts in here, but there is some stuff in there that I can't show you for future and upcoming builds. So this is the consumable area, we'll call it, and here is my parts washer. I never had like any electric power tools or anything like that when working at home or on the driveway. So to have all of this now is absolutely unreal. Moving over, the memorabilia. The reason I'm kind of doing all this stuff and I'm able to have this type of garage. A huge part of my garage, the lifts. This is my first ever lift, the scissor lift, which is amazing for wrapping cars because I can get the doors open whilst the car is in the air. My absolute baby, the 2-post ramp, which allows me to get the car right up in the air for doing stuff like exhaust, and it's opened me up to much bigger projects. Definitely a lot easier than it was when I was on the driveway, just trying to grab around exhaust lane on my back. Now, over here. The unsung hero, the nuts and bolts organizer. Without this, we'll be getting in a right pickle. And then moving on to the tool chest. You can't be a petrol head without a good set of tools. My chalkboard, or the chalkboard of truth, noting down what parts we need, how much they cost, and what other parts and stuff that we're going to need to order for the other future projects. Onto the wrapping area. As you can see, this is where we store all the different types of colours for the wraps of the cars that we do, and this is where we wrap the cars. It's completely self-taught this, and you get better with time, and I think I'm getting pretty good at it now. My personal favourite part of the garage is this, which my dad made me. He made this for my birthday, so pretty personal, and it stays there for good. So I'm about to get cracking on fitting the oil filter and putting in some fresh oil into the car, because I've been doing some serious miles in this, going up and down the country, picking up all the new project cars. And I actually used eBay Assured Fit to get the parts I needed for this. It was a super simple process. All I had to do was pop the registration plate in, and it came up with a huge list of the parts for this car. And the best thing about it, if for whatever reason they don't fit, I can send them back for free within 30 days. Another reason I love using eBay to find my parts and accessories is that I can find the reviews on the parts and the sellers as well. Just gives me that extra bit of assurance when buying. Now, getting the right grade oil for your car is pretty vital, but that's why eBay is such a good tool to give you that extra bit of confidence. Thanks for stopping by, guys, but I've got a new build I need to be cracking on with, so you have got to go. See you later.